Hello fellow simmers, welcome to this video. I am Sims2ID, the creator of this standalone tool SimTracker2.0. It will help you track all details about your sims, households, neighborhoods from the game, but also custom details like insurance, inheritance, driver's license, and much more. It's customizable to a certain level, so you can adjust it to your own gameplay. In this video, I am going to explain and show the very start of SimTracker 2.0. You will have to export all info possible from SimPE, import it to Excel, so you can copy-paste it into SimTracker 2.0. You don't need to import it to Excel, you can also use LibreOffice, but I'm going to show it in Excel. Make sure you have the latest version of SimPE so you can export all info needed. Previous versions, for example, don't export info specific about households, which is very much needed to make SimTracker 2.0 work as intended. Now go to Tools, Neighborhood, Export Neighborhoods, and now you can select a folder where you want SimPE to export the data to. I always go to Neighborhoods in my game folder and name it the same name as the hood that I want to put into SimTracker. And you see that I already have family image, lot image, and sim image to make my SimTracker 2.0 work with images. Click OK. Select the neighborhood you want to export. Click Open. And then you can choose the output options. It doesn't matter if you choose text or CSV to export, the import will be the same. Also, whether you choose to export only playables or not won't make any difference. It just might take a bit longer to export from SimPE. It will make a difference in how many records you will need to copy-paste, but it won't affect the performance or functionality of SimTracker 2.0. But as mentioned before, you will need to select all the other info to export. The exported folder will be named Rufio, that's a SimPE thing. You can rename it and save it wherever you want on your computer, but the SimTracker 2.0 file, the access file, will need to be saved in that exported folder Rufio, or whatever you name it. SimTracker 2.0 uses the images from the subfolders that were exported, namely lots, family, and sims. If it is saved somewhere else, you won't see those images in SimTracker 2.0 when inputting data or making reports. Now it's time for you to open Excel and import these files. In Excel, we need to go to Data at the top in the middle. Then on the left, you will see From Text CSV. Go to the folder where you saved the exported files and select the CSV file Exported Sims. Let it load for a second, especially if you did not choose only playables. Then click Load at the bottom. Now do the exact same for the other two CSV files. Now that we have imported everything in Excel, we need to copy the data from Excel to SimTracker 2.0. We will start with exported lots. Select the whole table like this. You see it's to row 476 for me. It's different for every game, but the title of this table is included. So there are actually 475 rows I need to copy to SimTracker 2.0. So now copy everything, then go to SimTracker 2.0, click on Start Here. You can also click on the houses. Then go to Data and List. Then go to Import and Export, and then click on Imported Lots. You will see there which tables are affected when you are importing imported lots, and you sync everything with the rest of SimTracker 2.0. At the moment, I still have lots imported in SimTracker 2.0, so I will select everything, every row. By going to the left, you see that my cursor changes, my arrow changes to a black arrow, and I select everything. And then it won't work if you click the button delete record, because that's only for one record. I'll show you now. See, it will ask you to delete the record if you are sure, but then only one record is deleted. It also says delete record, not delete records. So if you do it again or you select it wrongly, you get an error, but that's okay. So I select everything, and then I click the delete button on my keyboard. It asks again, you are about to delete 474 records. If you click yes, you won't be able to undo this delete operation. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. And then select the first row like this. So you need to select it completely. Go back to Excel, make sure that you have copied it. Copied the whole table, the correct table, preferably as well. And then go back to SimTracker and just paste. Control V on your keyboard and you can paste everything. You are about to paste 475 records. 475 is correct. We established that in Excel. Are you sure you want to paste these records? Yes, I'm sure. Now this table, imported lots, is full with data. We need to make sure the other tables that need this information are synced. Therefore, we need to click the button Sync Lots. If you forget to do this, not all data will be shown in the SimTracker 2.0 part. When you sync a table, a warning will appear and it will tell you which tables will be synced. Then some other messages will be shown to update, append or delete rows, and depending what action you did to the table, the number of rows will be different. Depending on which imported table, there will be quite some messages like this, but don't panic, this is really normal. Don't forget to sync the table's imported sims and imported family as well. Remember that SimTracker 2.0 is at this moment still in pre-beta. This means you can already test it, but it's too early to really use it. And as always, backup, backup, backup. That's it for this video. More SimTracker 2.0 videos are coming, so stick around. But remember, keep simming, and I'll catch you in the next one.